of ProfLearn YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to solve this question, and we're going to look at a question whereby you're told that this section, in this question, you may use the values in the table. Now, variable x and y are related by the equation y is equals to sine 5 theta. So, which means that we are provided with this information, then we are supposed to use it in order for us to work out this. If you're new to ProfLearn YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that anytime I'm going to work out more tutorials, you'll be notified. Now, use calculus to find the approximate change in x when y increases from this to by this particular amount. So, how are we going to work around this question? There are a few things that we're going to remember here. That a few things that we have to put into consideration or into perspective, because we are looking at the small increment or approximate change in x using calculus. Then we need to realize that y is increasing from root 3/2 so by this is actually, you need to get it right, by a small amount of 0.01. so that is the first thing that we have to realize when we are working out this question. And then once we have identified that, we shall also use approximation by calculus is given by the relation, because if we are trying to find approximation, so we shall say small change in y over small change, let me write it properly, small change in y over small change in x is approximately equals to dy over dx. That is the relation that we use in order to work out that, so that if we want to look at the small increment or change in y, is going to be approximately dy dx times the small increment or the small change in x in that case. So this formula is going to be integral, is going to be paramount in the process of working out this particular question. What else do we really need to understand as far as this question is concerned? We need to remember that for us to work out dy dx, we have to differentiate. So, which means that for us to work out this, we have to do differentiation. And in this case, we shall do dy dx. Yeah, dy dx of this part that we have here. And I want to bring to your attention that so once we've noted that, we need to let me just show you here that we need to find x naught when y is equals to root 3